Buongiorno, boys and girls. Today's adventure, we are at the Centro Paolo VI Hotel in Brescia, Italy. It's a renovated 16th century villa, beautiful hotel. I'm going to walk around, show you the little room that we have, plus I'm going to show you the grounds, which is extremely impressive. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave us a comment. Check out all our other videos, and I will catch up to you later. Ciao. Centro Paolo VI, located in the heart of Brescia, Italy, is a historic property that has been a part of the city's history for over 2 centuries. The complex was born from the union of 2 historic palaces, each with its own architectural style and historical significance. The Maggi family renovated the previous 16th century building, while the Gambara family purchased the palace and expanded it in the 17th century. The property's architecture reflects the artistic influences of its historical periods, with frescoes and graffiti dating back to the mid-16th century. The Gambara's family's involvement in the 18th century arrangement of the building further enriched its historical narrative. Today, Centro Paolo VI stands as a testament to Brescia's rich cultural heritage and offers a unique setting for both leisure and business travelers. Pretty good coffee, amongst other things, in this machine. Let's check out our room. What would a palace be without its own private church? There are two separate private parking lots for this hotel. Let's check out the private courtyard. Hey guys, I'm back again. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the hotel. This place is really fascinating. The artwork, the sculptures, its own private chapel, the courtyard, centrally located right next to Piazza Arnaldo, which we spent a lot of time in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Definitely leave us a comment. Check out all our other videos. Until next time, ciao.